Okay, let's have another shot today. If I lose all three, I'll go up to three, but if I lose all three, I lose all three. But let's try again. So I had finally got some counterplay in that previous game, and then yeah, his knight move left the knight loose. So alright, let's see, can I win with white? Open Sicilian. Let's play knight b5. Clamp down c4, because knight f6 wasn't played. So knight f6, knight c3, but so he's playing to get rid of the bishops. I'll let him. Okay. Oh, okay. Looks a bit loosening to do that, but what's the best way to play against this? Bishop d3, there might be f4. On the other hand, g3, so I suppose I'm going to play this. I'll play g3 here. Bishop h3 though. Can I just take? Right, is this that sound? His pawn sack. If I play queen d2 here, there's bishop g5. Right, can I just castle? I hope. So knight d5 might be useful. Knight d5 or f4. F4 is always going to be knight e3. Playing knight d5 is knight f3. So I think I might as well sack the exchange and now knight e3. Try and get some big pawns, maybe f5 later. So knight e3, queen e2. Anything better than queen e2? Not sure. Alright, so compensation for the exchange, I wonder. Play queen e3 here. Just conning that f3 square for the moment. Alright, so I want to try and get a nice knight to d5 at least and get this knight back. Oh, it's not letting me, it's going to win b2. Let's rook f2. So holding on to b2, so can I play knight d5 next, attacking the queen? If he's not careful. Okay, so knight d5 here. Right. That's an annoying move. That knight takes f6 and then queen f6. Get rid of the bishop pair. I'll play that. And king g2 here. Queen d5. Knight c2 to e3 actually. Just get this knight back to d5. So sack the pawn. Knight e3 and knight d5. Mind you, knight e3 is bishop h3, so hang on, king g2 first. I'll try to get knight e3. Was f5 better? Try and lock the bishop out. You can always go to h5 there. Knight e3, queen d6 is on. Alright, knight e3 here. Okay, queen d6 is bishop h3. That wouldn't be too clever. F5. Actually, then I would be threatening maybe queen d6. I'll do that. Get these pawns. E5 and e6 could be juicy. And queen's off. But e5 and e6. Oh, it's got Titan king f3 here. I'm gonna do this. Maybe knight g4 coming up. I suppose he can attack that. There's always c5 if b5. There's knight g4 and bishop h4. Knight g4 actually wouldn't threaten to win the exchange anyway. So maybe bishop h4 first. Bishop d6 and c5. That was b6. Alright, I'll play this knight g4. Okay, so bishop h4 here. So I'm letting c4 go. Got bishop f6. I'm hoping it's going to be dangerous. h5 is knight f6. Was knight takes f6 and rook g2 here? Just rook g2? Right, just rook g2. Oh, that's a pain. Okay, on pin. Oh, if I let him go, I'll let him go. Oh, this is really bad. Oh dear. Really bad sequence to happen. Okay. Can I drum any counterplay here? King f3, e5, that sort of thing. Maybe e5, yeah, trying to get past pawn. He's on off e4 at the moment. I'll let that pawn go. Oh, no, e5. There's always e6 if rook moves or. No, I don't like the self-pin concept. So how about bishop h4 and rook c7 instead? Instead of that bishop e5, bishop h4. Here, trying to get some counterplay with rook c7 and f6. But I'm running out of time here. These queenside pawns. Very dangerous. Oh god. So rook c7, rook d6. Quite. Looking very desperate. There's always maybe there's rook b6, rook f6, and rook b6. Then. That's not that brilliant, though, is it? On the defensive. Let's check here. Is that useful? Then f6. Okay, I think I've just lost. Queening. It's a shame. I was doing well in this one as well. It's not my morning today. I'll resign. Let's go look at this one. Okay, so probably I overreacted here with f5. Just I don't know, trying to win this pawn. But it's got a lot of counterplay anyway. Here, it's got a lot of piece play. Probably worth a pawn. Coming into f3. Why don't I just play bishop e2? Bishop e2. Missing some sensible moves. Oh, what's his guy's? This guy's comes. No, yeah. So bishop e2 here, and maybe I'm okay here, maybe, but I don't know. Why don't I just think bishop e2? This is just crazy. Let's give up the exchange. I think think it's too much bullet chest maybe affecting my 5-minute game. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.